war against COVID-19.
The country has recorded the highest number of recoveries yet.
10 people who were tested positive for the coronavirus have been discharged from isolation, bringing the number of recoveries to 22.
However, the number of new cases continues to rise.
5 more people have tested positive, increasing the country's COVID-19 cases to 189.
Our senior reporter Rita Tinina starts us off.
A total of 2,054.
Another afternoon, another COVID-19 press briefing. More COVID-19 positive cases.
5 have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. These 5 people are all Kenyan nationals, and only one of them has a history of travel from the UAE.
The 5 bring to 189 the number of cases, with Nyandarua joining the list of counties with COVID-19 cases.
3 of the cases are in Mombasa, while Nairobi and Nyandarua have 1 each.
The day's briefing came with some positive news.
That today, an additional 10 individuals will be discharged, and that brings in a total of 22 individuals who have recovered from the disease.
The number of deaths remain 7. 2 of them, a patient who died in Mombasa and a child who died at the Kenyatta National Hospital. The 2 patients had pre-existing conditions, but their deaths reveal loopholes in the health system.
Was basically in terms of the case definition, and we have decided as a result of that loophole to be able to expand the scope of the case definition to include severe pneumonia as a criteria for testing for COVID-19.
With healthcare workers having handled the patients whose COVID-19 status was picked at death, the government is now on a damage control mission.
We have also gone ahead to ensure that the facilities have been disinfected. We have also placed the healthcare workers who took care of the diseased persons in quarantine for the next 14 days.
It is now illegal not to wear a mask in public, following the gazettement of the Public Health COVID-19 restriction of movement of persons and related measures. Those who flout the regulations face a fine not exceeding 20,000 shillings or imprisonment not exceeding 6 months or both. The government is still postulating that infections could hit 10,000 by the end of this month.
Yes, we still stand with our projections that we gave you initially. Reason is that we have not gone to do community-based testing.
The distribution of some 10,000 personal protective equipment is yet to begin, 1 month after Kenya recorded its first COVID-19 case. Rita Tinina, KTN News.